In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Pinterest. We will walk through each click together so you can follow along easily. First, open your browser and search Pinterest. In the address bar or search box, type the word Pinterest and wait for the results to load. You should see Pinterest near the top of the page, usually with the familiar red logo and the word Pinterest next to it. If you see language or region suggestions under the result, that is normal and you can ignore them for now. At this point, you just need to confirm that the result clearly says Pinterest, not an article about Pinterest or a help page. Next, click the correct link and sign in. Choose the Pinterest result that takes you to the main Pinterest website, then wait for the page to open. You should land on either a sign-up screen or a sign-in screen with options to continue with email or other accounts. Click the sign-in option and enter your email and password, then confirm. After you sign in, you will see the Pinterest home feed with lots of images or pins arranged in a grid. A quick tip here, if the page reloads and shows pins with your interests, it means your login worked and you are in your account. Now, click the profile photo and click it again on the following page. Look to the top of the screen, usually in the upper right corner, for a small circle showing your profile picture or a colored initial. Click that circle once. The view will change, and you will see a larger version of your profile area, with your name, your handle, and your boards or created pins. On this new page, click your profile photo again. This second click is what opens your main profile view, so the edit options become visible. When it works, you will see your profile laid out clearly, with buttons under or near your name. From there, click Edit Profile. The Edit Profile button usually sits near your name or just below your profile picture. Click it once and a panel or page will open with several fields you can change. You should see a field labeled Name, along with other fields like About or Website. The Name field is the one that controls how your name appears on your public profile and when people search for you. If you do not see the Edit Profile option at first, check that you are still on your own profile, not on the home feed. Next up, click under Name, then type the correct name and click Save. Click inside the name box so that the text cursor appears. Then delete or adjust the current name. Type the new name exactly how you want it to appear, including capital letters and spacing. When you are happy with it, click the Save button at the bottom or top of the panel. The panel will close or refresh, and your updated name will now show on your profile header. Anyone who visits your profile from now on will see this new name. You have just changed your Pinterest name through the profile settings, so your account now shows the updated name everywhere. If this helped you rename your Pinterest profile smoothly, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick how-to guides.